filmmaker. An honor to have you here with us. And ladies and gentlemen, let's continue the cheer and the applause for the lady of success who makes it possible for the entire Indian film fraternity and television to celebrate together with the utmost prestigious Aida. Let's please give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Also a philanthropist and the founder of DC Forward, the one and only, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe please give it up for the loudest roar of applause. You can give me a standing applause as we welcome the legendary filmmaker, Bonnie Kapoor. We love your look, we love the handsome, absolutely. The style all together, sir. What an honor to have you here with us, Bonnie Kapoor, sir. बहुत शुक्रिया तहे दिल से. 4, 2, 1, ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling, the magazine with class, presenting Magnet Publishing's Society Achievers special issue. We like to thank this beautiful, we're going to have friends from the media. We promise you that.
Center look, sir, center look.
I'm going to take this opportunity and fill his place of Ustad.
Center look, center look, center look.
Thank you to my very brilliant team. क्या ये पिक्चर ठीक है? See it there? With the Indian shawl. बहुत शुक्रिया. Bonnie Kapoor said it's been a huge honor indeed for all of us. Best wishes जो आपने दिए, शुक्रगुजार हैं आपके. This has been very special. Damankar ji, to kindly felicitate Anuranjan ji along with Andrea and Tsunami. Please join us for the special.
Thank you.
Absolutely. The moment, ooh la la, come on. The iconic moment is here. The most awaited moment, ladies and gentlemen. Let's enjoy Bonnie Kapoor ji to kindly do the honors for Gulshan Grover. बहुत खूबसूरत सा मिलाप है ये. Wow. It's a very attractive memento.
This memento was managed at the last minute.
It's a planned thing, sir. नहीं, Bonnie ji, पूरा plan होता है. May I please request Neeti Goyal ji and Gaurav Parekh ji. Our favorite, in love with this, Neeti Goyal ji and Gaurav Parekh. Thank you so much. May we kindly welcome the very bright and dynamic Dr. Yogalkin, Tanushri Singh ji, Wellness World, and to accept the bouquet, may I please kindly request Siddhant, Anusha's. Hi, please join us, Jyoti Saxena. Please. Thank you very much, Jyoti ji. Anu ji, please दो शब्द आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे.
When Gulshan stops talking as
Much. Ladies and gentlemen, Sasif Nas as well. Come.
जो जिस कोने से जहाँ से मौका मिल जाता फोटो खींचते हैं because otherwise they'll miss the photo. Correct है भाई? योगेश.
अभी I think कुछ ज़्यादा तारीफ होगी है मेरी. The main event is of Sanjay and Gulshan. So let's talk of Sanjay and Gulshan.
A word about the young editor and Andrea as well.
Well, I would like to thank the young editor and the young editor Tsunami and her mother Andrea, and of course the entire team of Society and their head Ashok. I have known Ashok also for over 40 years. मैं अशोक को जानता हूँ जब पूरे बाल थे उसके बाद.
Ashok sir, please come closer, no?
एक टाइम पे इनके बाल भरे रहते थे, मतलब जुल्फे रहती थी और ये बाल झटकते थे. अब कुछ कम हो गए. मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ मेरे डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, बाल लगाओ. मैं भी बाल इम्प्लांट किया. तो मैंने इनसे भी कहा है कि आप भी बाल इम्प्लांट करो ताकि ये लेगेसी जो सोसाइटी की स्टार्टर्स की जो है, जो इनके हाथ में इस वक्त है, उसको आगे लेकर चले.
Friends,
thank you very much.
One second.
And I'll take your leave.
One second.
Okay.
Friends, good evening. I want to thank Boni, and Gulshan, especially for Gulshan giving us the opportunity and Anuranjan. Okay, Gulshan has हमें एक ऐसी opportunity दी है, उससे एक हमारा सौभाग्य है कि गुलशन की जो story है, life story around with his son, which we have presented in our magazine Society Achievers, and I hope everyone like it. It's a story, something which is father and son together, and how a son has started the evening from Bollywood to Hollywood, and now is Bollywood, back to Bollywood. It's very interesting, and I'm sure everyone will love it. Special thanks, Boni. Boni is like a family to us. Our relationship starts with almost 50 years ago, when our chairman, Mr. Hira, वहीं से चालू हुई है, and we will love to continue with the same. In fact, Mr. Hira is not here today, but his legacy is definitely we going to carry forward for years too. Thank you so much for all the friends supporting us and giving. Please give us a support like this. Thank you so much. Yes, I also want to thank our friend Bright, योगेश जी आए हुए हैं, बहुत लेट आए लेकिन आए हुए हैं. Thank you so much, योगेश जी. अनुजी.
खाली पिक्चर के लिए तो मैं लीजिए पिक्चर लीजिए.
So the media, please kindly join us, ladies and gentlemen, as we like to present the Indian tradition welcome for Krushi Mukherjee. Thank you. A word from you, Krushi. How does it feel being here with us?
It feels really well.
It feels really very, I feel very grateful and respectful being over here. Thank you for felicitating me and welcoming me. I really feel very obliged. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Born in Bollywood and brought up in Hollywood, he's already achieved accolades there with his fabulous training with Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Academy at Los Angeles. Sanjay has already won hearts with his.
Hello everybody, so nice to be
Hello,
here with all of you.
ma'am.
I'd like to congratulate Gulshan and Sanjay for this fantastic cover and Society magazine as well for such a wonderful quality and such a wonderful job, and meeting all of you after so long. It's so nice to see you all. And also meeting Chaitanya. I've seen him after ages.
It's an honor to reconnect with you.
It was such a pleasure to meet all of you. It's so nostalgic, grown-up meeting and seeing all of you during my film work that I was doing. So, yes, and the paps are here.
You're just the same even now. So don't say yesteryears, it's now. So you just, wow, like an actress, yeah. The present time.
And Gulshan is looking really cool here. What do you think? Sanjay is looking better, but Gulshan Grover is Gulshan Grover. And Sanjay is also looking cool, but why isn't he here?
He's in London.
He's shooting a film, so that's more important, definitely. But I would like to congratulate Gulshan and his son for this wonderful jodi and this great pictures. And I haven't read the article yet, but I will do that since this is mine, right?
Yes, it is.
Ye mera hai. So I will have a good read, and it's wonderful to see you all on the cover. The jodi, I mean, they look like brothers actually, I think.
Right.
They do.
They do look like brothers, yes.
Gulshan, do tell us about your association with Sangeeta.
चूँकि मैंने पहले शुरू में भी कहा कि हमेशा से पर पिछले 2 साल से मैं कोई एक्टर बैडमैन गुलशन ग्रोवर नहीं हूँ. मैं सिर्फ एक फादर हूँ, पिता हूँ. All that I've been thinking, doing is being a father. As Sonami, the editor, Andrea's daughter is the editor of this particular issue. There she is, Sonami.
The special issue.
Special issue. And of course, Andrea is the editor-in-chief of everything. And those young girls standing behind are part of the editorial team. And of course, Ashok Dhamankar, the publisher, and the entire team of Magnet. Ashok Dhamankar की wife भी खड़ी है सामने. तो because it's all about, to be very honest, when you read Deepak, छोड़ना नहीं. It's all, when you start to read this issue, Sangeeta, you realize that what a wonderful achiever this young man Sanjay Grover is. As Boni a few seconds back mentioned, that Boni, when he went to Hollywood along with Sanjay, how within seconds Sanjay could open the doors of every big Hollywood studio. Took Boni to every big studio, and these are Boni's words that he said right here. Every big shot in Hollywood welcomes Sanjay with such a warm smile. And that makes a father feel very happy that how, while, like initially went to study in Hollywood, in UCLA, and then how he became a film producer at MGM's headquarters under his mentor, Mary Parent. And yes, and today, we are all here. Of course, you all are my friends, but it's all primarily because of Sanjay. So please say 2 lines about my son, Sanjay.
I'd like to congratulate Sanjay because इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतना बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं, and to be in Hollywood and open doors, like he says, it's not easy over there. It's even more difficult. यहाँ तो अपने लोग होते हैं, but वहाँ पे ऐसा काम करना, it's a huge achievement, and I really commend him for that and his talent, and I really wish him all the best from my heart, and may he go places and may he go higher and make his father even more proud.
Thank you. Thank you. Over to you.
The questions.
You want to
Can we please have our team